In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story we couldn't complete your request easily and fast. So all what you have to do to fix this error is simple. Go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to apps here in the top, and right here on this page, as you can see, you will find many apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Then all what you have to do is search for Instagram. If you didn't find it, search for it here in the search bar, then click on it. Now click on the permissions, make sure to enable the storage, and then go back, click on data usage, and then make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data is enabled. Click on storage, click on clear data, go back, click on this open by default option, and make sure that the supported links in the app is on always allow. And then all what you have to do is make sure to restart your phone and then reopen Instagram, and the problem is solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.